When I was 14, my eardrum burst. And so I had to have an operation, and they put a synthetic eardrum in. And he said I would not initially notice a hearing loss, but it eventually would show up as I aged. It didn't really bother me. My hearing was so perfect. I mean, it was better than perfect. That went along until I started to notice that I was saying, "What? Could you turn the TV up louder? Say that again?" Then I thought, I don't want to be that person. I do not want to irritate all my loved ones. So I started looking for hearing aids. I went to a few places, but Miracle Ear offered me the best overall quality. When I did first come in to Miracle Ear, I have the normal apprehensions that anyone would have, but Kim, my hearing care professional, set me at ease, and she asked me what my background was, and I told her that I was a singer. And so she immediately knew what to focus me in on as far as the choice of the hearing aids. She just really did a good job. I really liked Kim, and I loved the hearing aids. Initially, I had a learning curve, but Kim worked it all out. After a few weeks of using the hearing aids, it got to the point where, yes, this is sounding very good. It was a miracle. My hearing came back with the aids. This is the closest to my natural hearing that I have.